Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today is Saturday, April 9th. So do you know what that means? Snoop Dogg concert. So today, me, my friend Angela, her boyfriend, and one of his friends are all going to the Snoop Dogg and Ice Cube concert here in Dallas at the Dos Equis Pavilion. And I wanted to vlog it because last time I went with my ex and it was a disaster. So let's make this a memorable night, shall we? Now my outfits are already at my friend Angela's house. I already went to the liquor store. Right now I'm just getting my overnight clothes. We're about to drive to my friend Angela's house. All right, so today has been a busy day. I had to go to a car dealership to go see if there's a way for me to repossess a car without it damaging my credit. There's not. So that's a situation that will be updated eventually. I don't want to go into too many details because there may be some legal action needed. I don't know yet. Anyway, after I did that, I had to go to Walmart because I needed to pay my mom's credit card bill because I have her credit card and you need the credit card to be able to pay the bill. So did that. Then I had to go to a liquor store. By the way, I'm driving. This is stationed on my steering wheel, so if you move a lot, sorry. And now I'm going to my friend Angela's house. I have my clothes. I have everything ready. It's been a day. It's been a day. Fine. It's fine. We're gonna repossess the day and make it. We're gonna take back the day and make it great.
Well, who you come to see?
Ice Cube!
Turn that shit up.
Oh my God, here he comes.
Turn it up, come on. What's up, fellas? We gon' rock this motherfucker tonight. I'm a nigga with a attitude gangsta, y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangsta, y'all. I'ma ride for my side on the CPT. It's Dallas in the house. How y'all feeling out there tonight? I appreciate everybody up in here. You know your homeboy Ice Cube been doing this for over 30 years now in the game. So when you bought your tickets, I know what you was thinking. Huh? You was like, okay, Ice Cube, Snoop Dogg, okay. But Ice Cube, can he still get on the mic and do what you like? Has he been doing too many movies?
We know the movies.
My homeboy, talk to me. It ain't nothing like rocking Dallas, Texas, baby. Especially on a motherfucking Friday night, baby.
Hold up, dude.
It's Saturday.
I know I might be hot in a motherfucker right now,
What else is new?
but I know that tonight ain't Friday, homeboy. We in Dallas. Tonight is Saturday, homeboy.
God damn it. Let me tell you something, homie.
Talk to me, kid.
Whenever you see Ice Cube in person, it's a motherfucking Friday. The get high day. And you know what we do on Fridays.
I'm gonna get you high today. Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
Dallas. If you diss me, I got to dish you back. And when I dish you back, ooh, I'ma give it to you. Ooh. And I'ma give it to you with no Vaseline.
No Vaseline. a drink in the middle of the set.
365. It don't get wrong. Eyes on the prize. Taking no loss.
Very, very fucking
She might be with him, but she's thinking about me. We don't go to the mall. We don't go out to eat. And all that we ever do is play in the sheets. Put your lights on your cell phones in the air. Turn the lights on. All I want to see is lights on cell phones. Sing.
So what we smoke weed, we're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be.
How we living?
Living young and wild and free.
A little bit louder. Come on, y'all. I said it real one more time.
So what we get drunk, so what we smoke weed, we're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Okay, and we are back home. It's Sunday, April 10th. It's the day after the concert. I didn't film as much as I wanted to on like the going and coming because it was a lot and I drank. Yes, that was the Snoop Dogg concert. It was amazing. I almost cried on Young and Wild and Free. It's an experience that I'm so happy I got to have. It was perfect and I wouldn't trade it for the world. It was just a beautiful reminder of how far I've come. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever been to a Snoop Dogg concert, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Not sure what day because at this point it's how life goes. But thank you guys, and I will see you guys next week. Bye y'all.